In the last video, we built an automation. But say you do not want the text, the email, and the course offer all going out at the same moment. You want a gap between them so it feels more natural to your leads. For that, you add what is called a wait step. To add one, click the little plus sign where you want it. You can scroll down to wait or just type wait in the search bar at the top. Pick the wait step and choose a timed wait. Let us say we wanted to wait 1 minute before the text, the email, and the course offer go out. Hit save and your wait step is in. So now, when someone goes to your website and submits the form, GrowUp waits 1 minute, then sends the text, the email, and grants the course offer. Now let us say you want them spaced out more. You want the text to go first and the email to follow 5 minutes later. You simply add another wait step right after the text and set it the same way. Type wait, set it to 5 minutes, and now the email sends 5 minutes after the text. And say between the email and the course offer, you want to wait a whole hour. Add another wait step, switch minutes to hours, and set it to 1 hour. So the course is not granted and they cannot log in until an hour later. And that is how wait steps work. They make your automation feel human. Because if everything fires at once, people can tell it is automated and it feels less personal. But when your messages use their name, mention what they are looking for, and arrive with natural gaps, it feels like a real person sent them. That is the goal. You want your follow-up to feel personal, not robotic, and GrowUp makes that easy. In the next video, I will show you conditional branches, where your automation splits left or right depending on how someone responds. See you there.